Now, theorem 2 we are having. If n and r are non-negative integers, n and r are non-negative integers such that r is less than or equal to n, then what we have to prove? We have to prove that NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR. Okay. Now, left hand side we are given n factorial upon r factorial n minus r factorial plus n factorial upon r minus 1 factorial with n minus r minus 1 factorial. Is it clear? Now to this, what we can write it further, it is having n factorial upon r with r minus 1 factorial and n minus r factorial plus n factorial upon r minus 1 factorial and n minus r plus 1 factorial. Okay. So now what we are having, we want n minus r, because n minus r is here, n minus r plus 1 is here. Okay. So what we can write it? We can write it n factorial upon r with r minus 1 factorial n minus r factorial. Now r minus 1 is already here. Okay. So we can write it plus n factorial upon r minus 1 with n minus r plus 1 and n minus r factorial. One term less than n minus r plus 1, that is n minus r plus 1 minus 1. So it is n minus r factorial. Now n factorial and n minus 1 factorial, sorry, r minus 1, r minus 1 factorial and n minus r factorial. Taking this as a common, what is left? 1 upon r, 1 from here and r from here, plus 1 upon, sorry, here it is factorial, 1 upon n minus r plus 1. Okay. Now this becomes n factorial upon r minus 1 factorial n minus r factorial with n minus r plus 1 plus r upon r times n minus r plus 1. Okay. So this is equal to n factorial upon r minus 1 factorial with n minus r factorial times n plus 1 upon r with n minus r plus 1. Okay. Now to this, now what we can write it? N factorial, n plus 1 factorial. Now to n plus 1 factorial, can we write it n plus 1 one term and then n plus 1 minus 1 factorial? So it becomes n plus 1 with n factorial. So combining these two, what we are getting? We will be getting n plus 1 factorial upon, similarly now r minus 1 and r, this becomes r into r minus 1 factorial, this becomes what? This becomes r factorial. And similarly n minus r and here n minus r plus 1. So if we are writing n minus r plus 1 factorial, then what next term will be? N minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial. So combining these two, what we are getting? Sorry, n minus r plus 1 factorial. Now this is equal to n plus 1 factorial. Okay, here we can use direct terms. We can write it now. This is equal to n plus 1 CR, which is equal to right hand side. Okay. hence proved. Now suppose there is a problem to understand that how left hand side is equal to right hand side. So now we have gone up to this place. Now what is this one? Right hand side. Now recap. Okay. Now we are getting n plus 1 CR. Now to this, can we write it n plus 1 factorial upon r factorial with n plus 1 minus r factorial? Okay. Now n plus 1 is what? N plus 1 and n factorial. Now to this part, what we can write it? N plus 1, then n plus 1 minus 1, that is n factorial, upon, now here we are having r and r minus 1. So this r factorial can be written as r with r minus 1 factorial. Similarly this one we can write it n plus 1 minus r and n minus r factorial. N minus r and n minus r plus 1. Okay, same thing. Is it clear? So we can write it, therefore we can write it left hand side is equal to right hand.